Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to the Travel Tour and Dine YouTube channel. Today, I'm taking you on an exhilarating journey through Niger. Buckle up as we explore the top 5 must-do adventures and dining spots in this incredible country. Ready? Let's dive in. First up at number 5, we have the Sahara Desert. This vast, breathtaking expanse of sand dunes and rock formations is perfect for those who crave the thrill of desert adventures. Whether you're sandboarding or simply soaking in the stunning views, the Sahara Desert is a must-see. And after a day in the desert, refuel at restaurant Sultana in Agadez, where you can savor traditional Tuareg cuisine. Coming in at number 4, the Niger River. This lifeline of the country offers amazing boating and fishing experiences. Picture yourself on a traditional pirogue, gliding down the river, spotting hippos and exotic birds along the way. And don't miss the riverside dining at Le Pilier in Niamey, offering fresh fish dishes that will blow your mind. At number 3, we have the ancient city of Agadez. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a treasure trove of history and culture. Wander through its narrow streets, marvel at the Grand Mosque, and immerse yourself in the local markets. After exploring, head to Le Petit Niger for a delightful meal featuring local specialties like camel meat stew. Number 2 on our list is the W National Park. A haven for wildlife enthusiasts, this park is home to elephants, lions and countless other species. A safari here is an unforgettable experience. Following your adventure, treat yourself to a hearty meal at La Source, where you can enjoy a mix of African and French cuisine. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for, our number 1 adventure in Niger, the Air Mountains. These majestic peaks offer hiking and climbing opportunities like no other. The panoramic views from the top are simply breathtaking. After conquering the mountains, reward yourself at Chez Chin in Agadez with a feast featuring local delicacies and international flavors. So there you have it, folks, the top 5 adventures and dining spots in Niger. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you amazing travel content. Thanks for watching and see you on our next adventure.